Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial video guys, we will study about Bitwise Operators in C programming language, and then I will show you a sample program. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment and suggestion. So if you are new with my channel, kindly click the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Let us define bitwise operators in C language. According to Google, the bitwise operator in C is a type of operator that operates on bit arrays, bit strings, and tweaking binary values with individual bits at a bit level. For handling electronics and IoT related operations or Internet of Things, programmers use bitwise operators. It can operate faster at a bit level. So basically, the main purpose of using bitwise operators in C, if we are working on electronics or hardware related programming like Arduino, Internet of Things. Okay, so let us proceed with our sample program here. So we have here a series of comments that I wrote in 2018, November 19. So sharp includes tdio.h. It is a library file for input-output in C. Int main begin x and y. We have two variables here that I initialize to 0, integer. And then bitwise operator in C, it will ask two numbers. And then we have here a series of bitwise operator ampersand vertical bar equals left shift bitwise operator and right shift and end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. And then we close new line. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. So let us run our code so that we can see the result. Bitwise operators in C give two numbers. It's a 110. So 110 is 0, 110 is plus sign 110. 110 powered by 10, 110. Implement 100 equals negative 101. 100 left shift operator 2, 400. 100 right shift operator 2 is 25, end of program. Another example, execute. Okay, 50 and 3. So we have here 50% 3 is 2, 50 vertical 3 is 51, 50 raised to 3 is 49. Complementary 50 equals negative 51. 50 left shift complementary 2 is 200, and 50 right shift 2 is 12, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our demonstration about bitwise operators in C programming language. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.